Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about electric SUVs of the year, the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E. If you've been following the rise of electric vehicles and the evolution of the iconic Mustang nameplate, you'll know just how significant this model is for Ford and for the future of performance-oriented devs. So, buckle up as we take you through everything you need to know about this exciting electric crossover. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E continues to build on the foundation set by its predecessors while introducing fresh updates and enhancements that make it an even more compelling option for EV enthusiasts. Ford has made some bold moves since first unveiling the Mach-E, and the 2026 model year keeps that momentum going strong with refined styling, improved performance figures, and cutting-edge technology. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mach-E looks sharper and more aggressive than ever before. Ford has tweaked the front fascia with a sleeker grille design, more pronounced LED headlamps, and a slightly reworked bumper that gives the SUV a sportier, more aerodynamic appearance. The signature Mustang-inspired taillights remain a highlight at the rear, offering a nice blend of heritage and modernity. New alloy wheel options, fresh color choices, and a slightly lowered stance further enhance the athletic profile of this electric SUV. Under the hood under the floor, the 2026 Mustang Mach-E is powered by an updated battery pack that promises improved range and faster charging capabilities. Ford now offers several variants of the Mach-E, including rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options, as well as the high-performance GT version for those seeking adrenaline-pumping acceleration. The standard model delivers impressive power while offering a smooth, quiet, and responsive driving experience. For the GT Performance Edition, drivers can expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 3.5 seconds, putting it in serious competition with some of the best electric performance vehicles on the market today. One of the standout features of the 2026 Mustang Mach-E is its enhanced driving range, thanks to a combination of battery efficiency improvements and aerodynamic tweaks. The extended range models now offer up to 330 miles on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and longer road trips. Fast charging capability remains a strong point, with the Mach-E able to add up to 80% charge in just about 35 minutes at compatible DC fast charging stations. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mach-E exudes modern sophistication. Ford has taken customer feedback seriously, refining the interior materials, improving seat comfort, and enhancing the overall fit and finish. The massive 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen remains the centerpiece of the dashboard, running the latest Sync 5 infotainment system. This setup offers lightning-fast responsiveness, seamless smartphone integration, and an intuitive interface that makes navigating through features and settings a breeze. The digital instrument cluster provides crisp, customizable readouts, while premium touches like ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and an optional Bang & Olufsen audio system elevate the in-car experience. Safety has also been prioritized, with the 2026 Mach-E offering a comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies under the Ford Co-Pilot 360 umbrella, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and an enhanced hands-free Blue Cruise highway driving system. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E continues to prove that performance and sustainability can coexist without compromise. Ford has managed to honor the Mustang legacy while embracing the future of electric mobility, delivering a vehicle that's thrilling to drive, stylish to look at, and packed with the latest technology. If you're in the market for an electric SUV that stands out from the crowd and offers a true driver's experience, the 2026 Mustang Mach-E is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching today's review here on Auto Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive content. See you in the next video.